Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today for Chef's Plate video 2 out of 4, we are making Basil Tarragon Steak. So let's get started. Okay, so tarragon and basil steak is done. In terms of cooking instructions, it was a lot easier than the meatballs I did in my previous video. This was pretty easy. It looks really good. The steak was a little overdone. That might have been my fault. Steak. Steak's okay. I could have seasoned it a little bit more. How about the salad? Salad's great, really good. I like the white wine vinegar and the olive oil. Last thing, olive potatoes. I don't like olives, but we'll see. Okay. I can definitely live with this. I will eat it the way it is. Olives and all. So, pretty good. Better than the meatballs. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna eat now. So, bye.